Hi guys, welcome to Last Minute Learning. Today the topic which we are going to study is data cleaning. As we already know that this is the first point which we have to do in KDD, whose full form is knowledge discovery from data. Now, there are 7 steps which I am going to explain that how data cleaning is actually done. First point is parsing, second is correcting, third is standardizing, fourth is matching, fifth is consolidation, sixth is dealing with missing data, and seventh is dealing with incorrect and noisy data. Now, the first part of data cleaning is parsing. What is actually parsing? Parsing is to assign roles to the component parts so that they can fit accordingly to the situation or accordingly to the database. Second point is correcting. What is correcting? Correcting is to correct the data actually. Uh, like for example, we have written the wrong address somewhere. Okay, we want to change it with the right address. Okay, then we will use data algorithms to do this. This will correct the data and it would be more accurate. Third point is standardizing. Data is written into many forms. Okay, for example, a single data is written in centimeter, other data is written in meters, and other data is written in binary form. It means that the data is written into chunks and each chunk is different from the other. Okay, then we have to standardize the data and uh, make it into a single form. Fourth point, matching. What is matching? Matching is actually when we match all the data, we compare the data and with one another, and then we remove the duplicate data which is same or redundant data which is repeatedly coming. A big advantage of this thing is that it saves the storage of uh, database or wherever you are doing all this work. Now, the next point is consolidation. What is consolidation? Like we are recording two records, and for example, we have first name and last name of any person. We can consolidate it and make it into a single form. We can assign it a variable, like these two can be assigned to a single variable which is name. This is the process of consolidation. Dealing with missing data. How can we deal with the missing data? What actually do is that all the missing data which is missing in the database, we have to fill that, or we have to remove that data. Efficiency could be increased. Next point is dealing with incorrect or noisy data. What is incorrect or noisy data? Incorrect data, as you know, it can be irrelevant data, or it can be the duplicate, or it can be uh, anything like this, the data which is repeating again and again. And same is the case with noisy data. These two things will remove the data and make all the process which we are trying to do. It will clean the data. These 7 steps will clean the data and we will get a more efficient and accurate data. Thank you for watching my video. If you are liking my videos, kindly share, subscribe, and stay tuned to my channel. Until next time, goodbye.